Here's your 41 Now update, sponsored by Kansas City Regional Association of Realtors.
Hey everybody, I'm Mike Baruzars. Here are your 41 Action News headlines. The Kansas Attorney General wants to drop 2 charges in the case against the former director of operations at Schlitterbahn. The AG's office asking a Wyandotte County judge to dismiss the charges of lying to authorities and concealing evidence against Tyler Miles. The judge has not yet ruled on this case yet. Miles still faces 18 other counts in the case. 10-year-old Caleb Schwab died on the Root water slide back in 2016. Miles is still charged with manslaughter, child endangerment, and battery. Several other Schlitterbahn employees, including co-owner Jeff Henry, also facing charges in connection to the 10-year-old's death. KCK police are looking for a gunman who shot a 3-year-old. Police say the child was injured when a car passed the car that the child was riding in, and a person inside the first car fired shots. It all happened last night near 72nd and Kansas. The boy is said to be in stable condition. No word on any arrest. New e-bikes have arrived in Kansas City. There will now be about 150 of them sprinkled throughout the city. These bikes help you pedal, especially on hills, and also helps you stop. This is the first smart bike share program in the region. Your forecast is next.
Did you know a realtor will help guide you through the home buying process from beginning to end? Visit kcrar.com for more information or to find a registered realtor in your area.
I'm meteorologist Gerard Bailey. We are expecting some heavy rain as we move through the night. We'll see a system start moving in. Temperatures will start out on the cool side. We're in the low 40s, but we will actually warm up as the night goes on. And we are looking at heavy rain moving into the area starting as early as 9 or 10 o'clock. And showers and even a few rumbles of thunder certainly are likely. This will carry on all the way through the night and into your Saturday morning as well. Temperatures continuing to rise all the way through around 10 a.m. We will actually reach near the 50s by Saturday morning, and then the system starts to exit. We'll see our temperatures actually fall through the afternoon on Saturday, dropping to the low 40s by the late afternoon and early evening. A little bit of light snow possible on the backside of the system late Saturday night into Sunday as well. We're not expecting very high totals with snowfall, less than an inch accumulation, if that, as the system moves out, but we could be seeing some pretty significant rainfall totals of over an inch of rainfall. But your weekend rain chances, we'll see a guarantee of rain tonight. Saturday, a good chance. Saturday night, those chances are tapering off a bit, but we're still seeing a few showers out there, and some of them could transition to snow as we move into Sunday. Remember, you can get all your latest news and weather updates anytime on KSHB.com.
Cutting the cable cord? 41 Action News is now on Roku. Search KSHB. Add our channel and you're set. All of our newscasts stream live. No other station in Kansas City can say that. Get clear, complete coverage on 41 Action News now on Roku.